Hello guys, Nixie. Still playing around with this crystal oscillator. I've got this one bulb here that's an AC bulb, and I've got about a dozen of the LEDs on the outer perimeter lit. It's probably a bad bulb, I can't remember where I got it, but it is an AC bulb. So I've been doing that with the series connection instead of the parallel connection, and so I've set up other little these each one is 5 in series, and I can light those up. What I've done here is I've added a line, 2 lines of these one second. Well, 2 lines of these diodes here. It's starting from here, going there, that's 5, and then the other 5 on the return path. There, I think you can focus on it better there. So it's going out to this bulb, and it's not capacitively connected. It's connected through those diodes in the diode loop that the doc talks about. So right now I'm running on 12 megahertz. That's a 12 megahertz crystal, and this coil is tuned. It's tuned for 13, but it's working best at 12, and also works pretty good at about 8 megahertz. So I put a little choke back on there. I had taken everything off, and I'm back to using the tiny 2SC 1815 transistor. I've got the little 22 picofarad cap on it, and I've got another 100 nanofarad or 0.1 microfarad, something like that, a little yellow one in there, going out. So this plug here is going out to the coil, and so anyway, that's the setup, right? I've also got this radio capacitor thing here, tuning, that I could use for tuning, but I'm not sure exactly where to put it. I also made a couple other coils. They're sitting around here, kind of collecting dust. I've added them together. There's another one. So I'm just, trying out different things here, and so far I've gotten this to work on. It's putting out at the bulbs. It's got 34 volts putting out at the bulbs. The input is 12 volts. So this little 1815 transistor seems to work okay. It's about as good as any, I guess. There's some that can handle more power, but they don't necessarily put out more light for some reason, and at least they don't overheat. This one does tend to overheat. It's about as much as I can give it. I've given it 24 and 36 volts, but let's see. So this is the light it's putting out. Let me turn this other little lamp off here, get a better idea. Sort of blurs things out, but that's the light intensity it's putting out. It's not great. It's not fully on by any means, but it's working, and it's series, so that's kind of nice. So anyway, that's what I've been working on, and that's as far as I've gotten. I bought some AC LED bulbs, and they had the circuit on the board, and I didn't have any luck with that. I took all the LEDs off. There was an interesting video on YouTube about how to remove the little tiny LEDs off of the boards using a candle. So I did. I heated it up with a candle, and I took all the LEDs off, and I was going to link them all together. There was like 24 of them. I was going to link them all together and and put them on here. And he showed how to do it. It's a very interesting video. I might upload it to you guys because it's worth seeing. The problem was that with my LEDs I couldn't get any contact on them. I tried the multimeter on it and I couldn't get them to light up, and I tried 4 volts on it, I couldn't get it to light up. On each individual one I couldn't get any of them to light up, so I couldn't do that project with the making the little LED 24 in series. Anyway, this is what I have so far, and it's not, blinding by any chance, but it's a start, and it's only half of the loop, right? I mean, it's like 5 and 5 diodes. So I could add more diodes and increase the light. I could probably light more of those bulbs if I increase the light, but I have this other bulb here. I'm gonna use this. It's sort of intact, I guess you might say. So probably work on that and get that one going, because I think that's a good bulb. I hope it's not a red one. I had a red one. Even if it is a red one, I'm gonna make it work anyway. So anyway, guys, sorry for the shaky, blurry picture. I can do what I can do with this camera here. But anyway, I think you get some idea here. If you have any ideas, please pass them along. And I'll be, I'm slowly catching up. I'm sorry, I don't have the right bulbs here. I haven't found them yet. But this is what I could do for now. So let me know what you think. Alright? Thanks for watching.